I want to live in a world without war. My dear sisters and brothers, here I am standing before you as a servant of God, as a servant of human conscience, as a citizen of India. We know that today certain countries are encircled in the vicious circle of war. I can hear the weeping of innocent people in Russia, Ukraine, Israel, Palestine, Gaza. Other countries are also waging war. War is a threat to humanity. War is not only a disaster, it destroys human existence. War is not only a calamity, it destroys the fundamental ethics of mankind. We can direct and redirect resources, war resources, for productive and reproductive activities, for eradication of poverty, for eradication of ignorance, eradication of disease. In this context, I would like to say that I want to see peaceful families, joyful children, and the nature which is well developed, well balanced, and well organized. I want to see smiling gardens, beautiful flowers or beautiful kusums. I want to see people are living in a peaceful manner. I don't want to see the collapse of democratic institutions. I don't want to see the collapse of human rights. I don't want to see conflict, chaos, confusion in the society. Some may say that a world without war is dead. But remember, many achievements in human history began as a dream. The landing of man in moon, the eradication of slavery, the right to vote. These were once dreams, but today all these are realities. I believe that war is the greatest dishonesty ever glorified by man in the name of patriotism. I repeat, war is the greatest dishonesty ever glorified by man in the name of patriotism. In this context, we have to remember the contributions of our father nation, Mahatma Gandhi. Gandhi proved that through peace and non-violence, we can attain our goals. His philosophy of ahimsa is universally accepted. He is the very embodiment of peace, justice. We know that Gandhiji is solely responsible for the manifestation of peace and justice in our motherland. In this context, I am remembering the name of Nelson Mandela. He is considered as a symbol of justice, peace, and reconciliation. I also remember Martin Luther King Jr. He also believed that social change can be attained through peaceful means. My dear sisters and brothers, I firmly believe that I can live in a world without war. I will live in a world without war. In the name of children lose their life in the war. In the name of children to be born. In the name of people who sacrifice their life in the war. In the name of God Almighty. In the name of human conscience. I make an appeal to the war-making nations. Please stop the war. Please stop the war. I again make an appeal to the peace lovers of the world. Please make a congenial atmosphere conducive to the harmonious and peaceful existence of mankind. Thank you.